Hello everyone, I'm just hopping on Screencastify to go through the IXL assignment I put on Google Classroom yesterday. I'm going to give you a little more time to do it because it seemed like a lot of people were struggling with it, and I'm just going to go through some problems at different levels. Okay, so here we have, it says write an expression. Okay, so that would be like x plus y is an expression. You don't put an equal sign, okay? But they're going to describe the sequence of operations. So we have multiply 3 by 8. Okay, so that'd be first. Then multiply 6 by the product of 3 and 8. So I'm just going to go ahead and type in 3 times 8 times 6. Now, I don't have to put parentheses because according to the order of operations, if I do this from left to right, I would do the 3 times 8 first anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead and click submit. If you want to put parentheses, I'm sure you can, but I just didn't. I didn't want to add to it. Okay, so let's do another one. This one has two different operations. Now it says add 5 to 2, then multiply 8 by the sum. So if I'm adding 5 plus 2 first, okay, in the order of operations, we know addition comes after multiplication, so I need to put parentheses. Okay, and then it says multiply 8 by the result, so I could do like that, times 8. And you actually don't need to use the multiplication symbol. You can just put 8 by the parentheses. So if I have 8 parentheses 5 plus 2, okay, that means 8 plus the sum of 5 and 2. Sorry, 8 times the sum of 5 and 2. Okay, so this one gets a little more complicated. It says subtract 3 from 9. So I'm taking 3 away from 9. Okay, and then it says then divide 2 by the result. So I'm dividing 2 by the result. Okay, so I'm dividing 2 by 9 minus 3. And they're having us use the slash mark, has the division symbol here. And again, I have to use parentheses if I want to show that I need to do the subtraction first. That one gets a little complicated. Okay, so this is another one. It says add 7 plus 3. So I have to do 7 plus 3. Okay, then I'm dividing 5 by the sum of 7 plus 3. So I would do 5 divided by the sum of 7 plus 3. So this is the results that they're talking about. And again, I'm using parentheses because I want to show that the addition is coming first. Okay, so this is another one where it says from the result. So it says add 6 plus 4, or add 6 to 4, so 6 plus 4, then subtract 3 from the results. So here I actually don't need to use the parentheses because I would do the addition first anyways, according to order of operations. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump a level. Okay, so this gets obviously more complicated because we see the word triple here. So it says divide 9 by 4. So that would be 9 divided by 4. It says then triple the result. So I'm doing the division first, and then when it says triple, that means you're multiplying times 3. Okay, if you think about it like triplets, okay, triplets are 3 children. Tripling something means you're multiplying it times 3. So first you would do 9 divided by 4, and then you would multiply that times 3. Okay, we have 8 more than the sum of 9 and 5. So sum means the answer to 9 plus 5. So I would do 9 plus 5. Okay, and then I have 8 more than that, so I would add another 8. Okay. So we have 8 minus the product. Product means the answer to a multiplication problem. The product of 3 and 2. So I have 8, and I'm subtracting 3 times 2, but I need to put parentheses. Actually, I don't need to put parentheses, sorry. I mean, you can if you want to, but order of operations tells you that you multiply 3 times 2 first. So you can do it like that. Or again, you can add the parentheses if that makes it clearer for you. So you're subtracting the product of 3 and 2 from 8. Okay, 5 decreased means subtracting. The difference, okay, difference means subtraction as well, of 9 and 6. So I would do 5 minus, and difference means like the answer to a subtraction problem. So I would say, okay, I have to subtract 9 minus 6 first, and then I'm subtracting 5 by that. So anytime you have like one section and you find the answer first, you can always put parentheses to make it clear. So you have 5 minus, okay, again, the difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. We do it like that. Okay, here we see triple again. I'll do just a couple more. Triple means 3 times. Product means multiplication. So I need to do 10 times 3. That's the product of 10 and 3. And then you're tripling that. So you would do parentheses, okay, times 3. Alright, and we'll just do a couple more. So we are adding 3 to the product of 8 and 10. So that's the same as saying 3 plus. Okay, product means the answer to 8 times 10. So I can just do 8 times 10 here. That one was pretty straightforward. Okay, so this one might be a little tricky. 10 more means plus. Difference means the answer to a subtraction problem. Okay, so we are doing 8 minus 7. Okay, is our difference of 8 and 7, and then it's saying 10 more than that, so you do plus 10. Okay, so here we have 6 divided, so you're dividing. The difference is the answer to a subtraction problem, so it's a 6 divided by the difference of 10 and 3. So you have 6, my division symbol. Okay, if I'm finding the answer, I need to do the subtraction first. That means I have to use parentheses. 10 minus 3. So we're not solving this problem, but you would do 10 minus 3, and then you would subtract 6 from the answer to that. So we do 6 slash 10 minus 3. Okay, we are adding 4 to the quotient. Quotient means the answer to a division problem. So we're adding 4 to the answer to 2 divided by 9. So I might get this wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're saying 2 divided by 9 plus 4. If I get it wrong, then it's probably 9 divided by 2 plus 4. Okay, good. Okay, if you need more help, I will be doing a Google Meet at 9:45 going over this. So look for the link in Google Classroom. I'll be posting it shortly before. Please let me know, as always, if there's anything I can do to help. Contact me through Google Hangouts if you want bestest help. It's hard for me to keep track of the comments because I don't get notifications on that. All right. Keep up the good work. Do your best. I'm only looking for your best effort.